to my channel. It's Briana Nichole. And today's video is going to be on this hairstyle that I did today with this hair. If you want to know the details and you also want to see how I started, go ahead and keep watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and all that good stuff like that. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Okay, this hair is from Alipearl hair. It is 22 inches, 180 density, 13x4 HD frontal, and yeah, and this is a medium cap size. And this is actually pretty long for 22 inches. Like, it's really long. Yeah, it's really long and I really like it. It's nice and thick and full and I love that about this hair. So yeah, details of the hair will be in the description box below. Make sure you keep watching all the way to the end so you can see the finished look, even though you see it right now, but see how I did it. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the video, okay? Okay guys, so this is the finished look for this hair. I just did this little style. Yeah, I can tell you exactly what it did. I just did a couple ponytails as you saw, and then I added all the ponytails together and bobby pinned them down so they can just blend in with the hair. And yeah, this is what we have. Okay, and once again, the details of this hair. It is from Alipearl hair, 22 inches body weight, 13x4 HD lace, and 180 density. This is a medium cap, and the only thing I wish I would have did was get a large cap because the cap is kind of like on this side. It's not like I have to make it longer, but that's not nothing on them, that's on me because I should have said large instead of medium cap. So make sure, like, my head is pretty big, so just, I don't know, go off me. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know more looks you want to see, more wigs you want me to try, more companies you want me to try, all that good stuff like that. You know, I'm trying to get back into it this summer. I'm trying to get back on my groove, all that stuff like that. So yeah, go ahead and give this video a big old thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. We're on the way to 12K, and we're almost there. We're gonna hit it by the end of next week. I'm gonna go ahead and put it out there. Turn on my post notifications so you can see every time I post and all that good stuff like that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next videos. Only up from here.